And we are live! Hello mga kakwento! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa Pinas, wherever you are tuning in, to those watching or will watch the replay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, and the face behind Life with Lair business page, and now a proud digital business owner. This is Series 8, and yes, I know what you're thinking. Bakit Series 8 ngayon? Nag-go live na ako for my series 9 and 10, 'di ba? Well, let's just say life got lifing. Sometimes we miss a step, we skip a number, but you know what? That's okay. Because here we are, catching up, realigning, showing up anyway. To be honest, I didn't realize I missed the series 8 of my Go Live Kape at Kwento-Kwentong Pababago until I sat down to plan for my series 11. I went back through my lives and I said, wait lang, nasan yung series 8 ko? I was looking for my series 8. Apparently, I jumped from series 7 to 9 and went on like nothing happened. And that got me thinking, how many times in life do we skip a step? How many dreams have we delayed? How many moments we let slip because we were too busy, we were too tired, or life just got too loud? This missing episode reminded me sometimes the most forgotten parts of our journey are the most meaningful ones. So here's what this Lost Series 8 is really about. It's for your dream that you park for someday. It's for the goal you skip because fear got in the way. And it's for the you that got left behind because you were taking care of everyone else. This episode is for anyone who feels like they're late to the party, like they missed their chance, like they should have started earlier. Let me tell you this, heart to heart, you didn't miss it. You're not behind, you're not too late, you're exactly where you need to be. And it's never too late to go back for the one that almost got away. Because every chapter in your story matters. Every version of you counts. And even when the timeline isn't perfect, progress is still progress. That's what this digital business has taught me too. I didn't start at the right time. In fact, I have million reasons to delay. But one day, I just said, if not now, when? And I gave myself permission to go for it, even if the timing wasn't perfect. Now, look, I'm building something I love with the people I love, and I get to inspire others for their own Series 8. So, thank you for being with me tonight, catching up with the episode that almost slipped away. Let's make a promise. No more skipping ourselves, no more leaving our stories unfinished, no more waiting for the perfect time. Because the best time to try, to share, to start is always now. This was Series 8, the one that almost got away. But we found it and we made it matter. See you on Series 11. That will be tomorrow, which is entitled Ang Gaan Tignan, pero ang bigat pala. So at this time, it's in order na. So tomorrow is Series 11, Ang Gaan Tignan, pero ang bigat pala. Okay? Thank you for spending your time with me again tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. See you again on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. That would be tomorrow, Series 11. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart, live free, and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you want to learn more, just message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email so I can inform you how you can start your own digital business too. Diba? Okay, good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.